Hi, I'm Steve Wishau at PICO. We often get questions about how we can help integrate and manage Andon management on our customers' shop floors to improve communication from the production floor to the front office. Typically, we see stack lights with colors, sounds, and other interaction methods to draw attention to the issues that are happening. But at PICO, we try to take a very active management and solution provision to solve those issues. The first of which is an alerting mechanism to send issues directly to Slack, Teams, or other communication channels to say exactly what's happening on the shop floor, saying, I need help right now, instead of hitting a button and triggering a sound, light, or other mechanism, hoping that someone's walking by and paying attention. This can involve quality issues, equipment issues, material handling. All the above can send issues and messages directly to the places that need it. Similarly, we can categorize our downtime and trigger station statuses directly from our build screens, capturing the station and the operator that's capturing those results. Anytime I hit that pause button, I can say that I'm going on break or I am going to training, but more importantly, I can say I need my supervisor, I need material, I'm waiting for quality, or I'm having some other equipment issue. So all of these issues and statuses are captured directly as part of that traditional Andon management with all those color codes, but we can capture that information a little bit more clearly and directly on the operator screen without being restricted by those traditional methods. So if you're interested in learning more about how we can track alerting and station activity, visit picomes.com.